guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to film a little vlog for you tonight. We're just going to go to Hamilton and we're going to go look at some boats. In New Zealand, it is the bridge to bridge boat racing tomorrow, well this weekend, and they've got about 40 boats all at a museum in Hamilton. So we're just going to take the kids, and Sean's going to do some filming for his Shifted Studios channel, and yeah, I'll take you along. I'm just having a strawberry energy fizz. We just finished our afternoon workout. I'm so glad we got our workout in before we left, because then there would have been an excuse later. We both would have been tired or had to deal with the kids. So we got that over and done with before we left. It's really muggy at the moment, so this is going to be really refreshing. The show and shine starts at 4. We're an hour away where we live, so it is 3:10 now, so we're going to leave shortly.
George Brewing area, wherever you are, pit lane, over in front of Sapphire. Right, I need you to do it right now, so all the Victorians, can you please...
fucking cool.
You can see Dave Hanks here. He's come out of
We're just getting ready to leave. It is a bit hard filming because I wanted to vlog and Sean, he was taking pictures as well. So I just did little clips of what I could as I walked around. But it's so hot out here. We're just heading off. It was worth it just to see that Impala, to be honest.
It was so nice.
We've just decided to stop at this ice cream diner randomly. It's just so hot, we thought we'd come and get Millie an ice cream. Oh, Millie's found all the toys. Oh my gosh, I remember this. Oh my gosh, that is so cool.
Get like little, those little things as well, sort of cups like this. Oh, yeah, beautiful.
Yeah, I might just get her an ice cream sundae. What's that, Millie? Whoa. Millie's actually eating a lot more of this than I thought she was going to eat. We're just getting ready to head home. It is 6 o'clock. We're not going to get home till 7. So Sophie's probably going to grizzle soon because she's going to be starving and want her dinner. Millie just ate most of that ice cream. I can't believe she ate that much. I just hope she doesn't be sick. But yeah, we are off home now.